Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe. So today I am going to start with my new lesson, that is business studies. Business. Business means what? Buying and selling is called as a business. Being busy with the business in buying and selling the goods. So the lesson name is Components of Business Studies. So today I am going to explain these points: introduction, economic activities, types of economic activities. In the types of economic activities, there are 3 points: that is business, profession and employment. So first let me start with the introduction. So in this lesson, we learn some basic aspects of business studies and economic activities, which form the base for all business activities. Economic activities is dealing with money, buying and selling. So the term business is derived from the word busy, being busy. Thus, business means being busy. All of us need food, clothing and shelter. For these things only man, what he is doing, he is earning. And to satisfy his needs, he is earning the money. We also have many other household requirements to be satisfied in our daily life. Many requirements are there. Once you go and see your house, each and every good is required for us. And each and every good what we are purchasing, what is there in our home, those are our requirements. And these we need, what are the requirements are there? We need many of these requirements from the shopkeepers. From where we will go and buy? From where we will get all the goods? What are there in our house? Those all goods we get from in the market. In the market, the shopkeepers will go, will purchase those goods and satisfy our need. We need food, we need grains, rice, dal. We go to shopkeeper, will purchase them, will buy them, will come, will cook and we will have. Yes or no? We are, or else we are growing at our home only or what? No. Whatever the required goods are there for us, those goods are available in the market with the shopkeepers. We are going to market, shopkeepers, we are purchasing them, we are buying them and we are bringing them to a home. We satisfying those needs. You want to do a tea. For tea, to do a tea, the word is tea, only one word. To make the tea, how many goods are required? We need water, we need tea powder, we need sugar, we need milk. For all these, we need a gas stove, we need a cylinder. Only if you mix all these together, it will become a tea or what? No, it has to boil. It has to boil for certain minutes. Then only it is able to intake. We can take it. We can drink it. And from where the shopkeeper will get? The shopkeeper get from the wholesaler. You won't, the shopkeeper, you won't go direct to the producer, to the manufacturer, the one who is manufacturing the goods. No, we will go to the wholesaler. From where the wholesaler will get? The wholesaler will get from the manufacturer. The one who makes the good, from him he will purchase, from the manufacturer to the wholesaler, from the wholesaler to the shopkeeper, from the shopkeeper to the consumer. Yes or no? So, the shopkeeper, the wholesaler, the manufacturer are doing in an economic activity. From the manufacturer, the wholesaler will buy. From the wholesaler, the shopkeeper will buy. From the shopkeeper, the consumer will buy. Consumer will give money to the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper will give money to the wholesaler. Wholesaler will give money to the manufacturer. The manufacturer will invest the money. He will sell. Here what is happening? Activity is there. What activity? Economic activity. Buying and selling the goods. From whom they buy? The shopkeeper buy from the wholesaler. The wholesaler buy from the manufacturer. The consumer buy from the shopkeeper. They'll give the money, they'll purchase the goods. That is called as an economic activity. Nothing is there free of cost in this world. Even a safety pin also we need to buy. Okay, and so these all the manufacturer doing business, so therefore they are called as an businessmen. Yes or no? And business is an economic activity which is related with the continuous regular production. Production means what? Producing the goods, distributing the goods, services for the satisfaction of the human wants. We the people, we need each and every good. Yes, sir. And so the other thing is it is the introduction of the business studies. So the next topic is economic activity. I already said that buying and selling is called as an economic activity. Human beings have a number of wants. We want everything. As we want TV, we want mobile, we want a laptop, we need a tab, speed mixer, grinder, AC, fan, washing machine, each and every good we need. Yes or no? And to satisfy our wants, we need goods and services. Goods are produced by agriculture and industry. Agriculture means what? Producing the crops. So those are called as raw materials. When it go to the industry, it will become a finished good. Now, for example, furniture. With the to make a furniture, we need a wood. Wood is a raw material. From where we will get the wood timber in the forest. From the forest, they bring the wood. It will go to industries. From the industry, it will become a finished good. Furnitures, dining tables, chair, sofa sets, and all. So, what will do? The manufacturing we will sell to the wholesalers. From the wholesalers to the shopkeepers. From the shop, we the consumers, the one who buy the goods are called as the consumer, will go and satisfy our needs. As we won't go direct to the manufacturer. We will go to the shopkeeper. And we require many services. Education. To become a doctor, to become a nurse, to become an engineer, those are called as services. So these goods and services to be distributed among us, among each and every individual of the people. The activities which are concerned with the production and exchange of goods and services is called as an economic activity. Now, types of economic activities, that is business, profession, employment. Business means what? Being busy, buying and selling the goods is called as a business. Yes or no? Profession. So, first let me give explanation about the business. It is mainly concerned with the production and the exchange of the goods and services. The producer will manufacture the goods, he will sell to the wholesaler. Yes or no? The wholesaler to the shopkeepers, shopkeepers to the consumers. The next one, that is profession. It is mainly concerned with the rendering of specialized technical and personal services. For example, like lawyer, to become a lawyer, that is a service. Doctors, chartered accountant, teachers, many professions are. Yes or no? Next one, that is an employment, working, labor. It is the work undertaken by the people under an employer for salary. For sake of salary, we are employees. Our basic wages, daily wages. Monthly salary is called as an income salary. Daily we getting that is called as an wages. For example, like agricultural laborers, they work for the daily. In the industries, in the big companies, laborers. So this is about the employment, working, employees, laborers. Yes or no? So business means what? The manufacturer. It is concerned with the manufacturer and the distribution of the goods and services. Production, producing goods and services. That's for the sake of the humans. Profession. It is called as a service, like lawyers, doctors, engineers, teachers, nurses, chartered accountants, etc. Many other. Employment, working. and the people are working for the sake of salaries in industries, in big companies and all. Yes or no? And for the wages. So this is the thing. Just it is an introduction, economic activities and tax concept. So in the next class again I am going to continue with my same lesson. I hope you are understanding students. Thank you.